And we go now to agriculture. Stakeholders in the industry also have their eyes set on some changes they want to see in 2023, from a new land policy to better management of agricultural waste. They're hoping the new year will bring progress and recovery from the severe weather events and high inflation of 2022.
Let's see if 2023 we will see, a more orderly agricultural sector and one that works for greater ideals.
President of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, Lenworth Fulton, reflecting on the challenges within the agricultural sector in 2022. Bad weather, predial larceny, inflation, among other things, made 2022 a tough year for hundreds of farmers. While there was a 17.4% growth in the sector for the third quarter last year, Mr. Fulton is hoping that land reform will be high on the government's agenda this year.
And we have been calling for a new land reform policy to release land to serious farmers and stop thinking about you're renting them the land for this rent to pay your administrative expense. We want to get the land in production, and then that production would far outweigh any rent you are holding up the land for.
Another issue, the management of agricultural waste, especially at fruit and vegetable markets island-wide. Mr. Fulton pointed out that farmers have been leaving behind tons of waste, putting more pressure on the NSWME.
Once they are biodegradable, you can use them on your farm for beneficial purposes and ease the burden on these other agencies that have to walk behind you and do the cleanup. And I think the extension service, which include the Jamaica Agricultural Society, need to do better messaging when it comes to how we manage the waste from farm. Because these wastes are not hazardous anyway.
In the meantime, it is hoped that despite those challenges, in 2023, more people, especially younger Jamaicans, will see agriculture as a viable career.